seeing how much soda I can drink until my mom reacts.
This is a mistake. Don't explode, don't explode, don't like a wet fart.
Matthews can overflow.
I know.
Already having regrets.
This isn't gonna happen. No. I saw a thing where you take a big deep breath out and then chug it. You can really chug really easily, right? That didn't work.
My mom's coming back in.
Matt, like, really?
No burp. There's the burp.
You burped.
That one almost came back up.
You seriously drink an entire 2-liter bottle of
Oh my god.
Matthew, that's disgusting.
I don't know why I thought I was really gonna get through this. I still have these two to go.
Oh my goodness, I am actually speechless this time.
I have that effect on people.
Do not open a second one.
Why not?
Do I really need to tell you why not?
Well, it'd be helpful if I'm gonna make an excuse.